Hello everyone, welcome back to Grange Vlogs. Today I'm going to be showing you another recipe using my sea moss that I'd made previously. I'm going to link the card of the video that I did before so you can see how I make my sea moss. Well, you know the cold weather is coming on, so I'm preparing my family and preparing myself for the cold weather ahead so that we can be well supported and no bugs or flus or colds or anything can come near. So today we're diving into two of the most vibrant, nutrient-packed superfoods on the planet. The famous dragon fruit mixed in with our sea moss and our tropical mango. You might have seen sea moss trending all over social media for good reasons, but this is no joke. Sea moss contains 92 of the essential minerals and vitamins that our body needs to function properly. You might not be familiar with dragon fruit, but dragon fruit is a tropical sunset in a jar. It's purple. It tastes almost like, to me, it tastes almost like kiwi. I don't know if you've had kiwi fruit because it's got the similar seeds, the little black seeds and everything in there. And that's what it reminds me of when I taste dragon fruit. In some places, they call it the pitaya, which is Pitaya. Dragon fruit is packed full of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and phenolic acid. These compounds help to combat free radicals and reduce the inflammation on the body. Dragon fruit is also very high in vitamin C, which it protects you from colds and flus, and also very high in fiber. So by infusing the two together, just imagine what you're doing. You upping your chances of your body surviving through the winter without any colds and flus and bugs and all those nasty things that go around. Everybody know mango. Well, I hope that everyone's had a mango. Here I've got two mangoes. I've got the normal mango that we have here in the UK, and we've got the one from Yard. So of course the one from Yard is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it's so worth it because the flavor is different, the taste is different, everything about it is different. The smell is just amazing. Mangoes are just one of my favorite fruits. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial again for your immune support and for the healthy skin, and the vitamin A's for the eyes, all those, and the vitamin C, don't forget that bit, and all these digestive enzymes that will help us to process our food more easily. So join me today as I show you how I make my sea moss infused with fruits. I'm just going to be trying. You can use whatever fruits you like, but I'm trying my tropical fruits because I'm a tropical girl. So again, combining these fruits together with my sea moss, it will help you to not only improve your immune system for the winter ahead, but it will improve your gut health, making your digestion easier and give that prebiotic properties and compounds that you need to help with your digestion. It will make you have better skin and hair, so it's looking more healthy and strong. And it will give you more energy, so you feel more revitalized in the mornings when you're getting up for work, or in the evenings if you work night shifts. You're feeling a little bit more, like you've got a little more energy, a little more boost in your step. And some people don't really like the plain taste of sea moss, so infusing it with the fruits can make, well, with your favorite fruits. I'm doing the dragon fruit and the mango, but whatever you want to try, it's totally up to you what fruits you choose. But I'm choosing these two. The benefits are incredible. So if you like my recipe, drop a comment down below. Like my video, of course, so that YouTube can push it out. And as always, blessings to you and your family. Take care of each other, and see you next time, God's willing. Bye bye.